Futuristic. Not just a name, but our mindset. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the retail fixture industry. Our goal?
Modular retail fixtures giving you agile and mobile solutions for your retail space.
And let's talk about our manufacturing capabilities.
Our dual facilities in Malaysia and China offer risk management to you. You can count on us to deliver globally, unaffected by geopolitical challenges.
But our commitment to you doesn't stop at manufacturing.
We prioritize precise and transparent project management, giving you peace of mind every step of the way.
For over 40 years, we have earned a reputation for being reliable and accountable in everything we do.
And don't just take our word for it. Our proven track record speaks for itself. From fashion to tech giants, leading companies around the world have put their trust in us for quality consistency and on-time deliveries. At Futuristic, we are more than just a store fixtures company. We are your partner in growth, dedicated to helping you create dynamic retail environments that drive sales and build your brand. That's what sets us apart. That is the Futuristic Advantage.